Hey guys, I wanted to do this really quick review. I'm probably going to play it out today actually. It's just to celebrate the first day of spring and what DQ is doing to celebrate the first day of spring. Their Blizzard of the month is one of my favorites, the Mint Oreo Blizzard. This is the mini or the snack size. I have reviewed this before, I know, but I couldn't resist because I love mint. Mint chocolate chip is one of my favorite ice creams. I love Oreos, so I thought I'd just do a little quick review to celebrate first day of spring. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's give it a shot here. Oh my gosh, it's already melted. It's okay, it's still gonna taste good. I can tell already because there's lots of Oreo pieces in there. Just the right amount of mint. There's a little bit that was gonna fall off. Tons of huge Oreo cookie pieces. Definitely perfect for the first day of spring, that's for sure. If you guys haven't tried this yet, definitely recommend it. I'm not gonna rate this. It's just more just of a happy first day of spring. I've reviewed it before. But let me know in the comments what your favorite Blizzard is. If you're happy it's finally spring and that the warm weather is coming. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. And hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys.